Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how to scan this Mercedes-Benz W212 and 213 series cars, these defects and error codes in this car computer, and we use now OBD scanner. And then we really read those codes in this Mercedes-Benz car, and that we need to go in this diagnostic area. There is this my arrow, and in here, and then I press enter in here, and then I choose my car. There is Mercedes-Benz in here, and enter, and then it says that this is this software version. And then I need to choose in here my Mercedes E-Class W212 E. I press this arrow. There is first E, and this one E I212, and then enter. And then sedan, and my is diesel, and that first one blue tech, and then we use smart scan, and now this system is looking for all possible defect areas in engine, in transmission and airbag and so on, and there is 46 areas to scan. And let's look at what it found, and soon this system is ready, and if there is issue that it stops, then we have to repeat that, but my one works well. And now this is like they have found these things, and I can go through all of these. First one is engine control, and I press enter. And now it checks that what fault codes I have in there. I press first it is read fault codes, and first one is that 2074, and it is signal component. It says that this component is bad, and this is really one component in Mercedes-Benz car, and it is hot fill mass airflow sensor. It is that one. Okay, and then there is actually 6 of those errors, and let's go next one. And then boost pressure deviates. This is like a defect code 226353. And what that defect code means? It means now that there is a boost pressure, this what is in turbocharger issue. The component is deactivated. Okay, it is like not in use. And then we go forward. Next one is P244A7A historic. The pressure differential diesel particulate filter is too low. Leakage or defective seal was detected. This is like now this catalytic converter or particulate filter issue in my engine. Okay, and let's go to next one. And then there is historic exhaust back sensor, pressure sensor, and this is again this catalytic converter issues.